Hi and welcome to another Friend Chic's top tip video. I'm Laura, the better half of Mr. and Mrs. DIY. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint these terracotta pots so that they last. The products I'm going to be using are Friend Chic's finishing coat and 2 paints from the Fresco range. This pot is a new pot, so I don't need that much preparation. However, if you are using an older and more weathered pot, or perhaps it's been previously painted, you do need to give it a really good scrub down with the concentrated sugar soap beforehand. As with any surface you're about to paint, make sure it's clean, dry, dust and debris free. So I'm going to start my preparation by sealing my pot with Friend Chic's finishing coat. So the reason why it's so important to seal my pot with finishing coat is because, well, imagine this. I put my soil in, I planted my plant and I'm watering it quite heavily every single day. That water is not only going through the plant, through the soil, it's also going through your terracotta because it's an incredibly porous material. Therefore, your paintwork is going to start to flake and eventually it's going to be pushed off the surface of the pot. Now that the inside is totally sealed, I'm going to start on the top rim and the outside of the pot. This is touch dry within 15 to 30 minutes, so once it is, you can start on your second coat. And remember, you will also need to seal the base of your pot before you can start to apply your paint. Once your second coat is dry, for best results you can even apply a third coat. And then you're ready to start painting. The colours I've chosen are Dive In and Raspberry Punch from Friend Chic's limited edition Fresco range. The Fresco inside-outside range is a water-based, durable, weatherproof, UV-resistant chalk and mineral paint specifically developed to transform your garden or indoor furniture. It's incredibly versatile, smooth, creamy and virtually odourless with a palette of 20 best-selling colours plus exciting limited edition offers annually. Requiring simple preparation, it's self-levelling, self-priming and self-sealing with excellent coverage. The Fresco range has minimal VOC content, has gone through rigorous testing to be certified UKCA and EN 713 compliant, meaning it's safe to use on children's toys. So now that I've finished the outside of the pot, I'm going to begin on the inside and the rim. I'm going to do the inside first and I'm just going to go down a couple of inches because the soil is going to cover the rest of the terracotta pot. And the reason why I'm doing the inside first is so that when I'm doing the rim, I'm not getting any paint on my wrist. So now I'm going to dive in to the other pot. Millions of people across social media are hashtagging best paint in the world. Whenever Craig and I use it, it's always easy to see why. It's a great choice for your kitchen, bathroom, front door, or just about any type of garden furniture. Now that my first coat is complete, I'm going to leave it to dry for a couple of hours before I come back and start my second coat. Would you like to join in? Yeah? Good girl. You do it like mummy. Up and down. Yeah. Nice work, Nelly. Friend Chic paint is so easy to apply that even a child can do it. It doesn't really matter how they apply it, as long as you feather over it and then it will dry flat. Well, there we go. We've got Nelly's seal of approval. Although this is touch dry and recoatable after 2 hours, it won't fully cure until its final strength, until after about 3 weeks of drying. So if you can hold out for a week or 2 before you add your soil and pot your plants. Preparation really is the key to a successful job. If you fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Now that's my painting finished. Now I'm going to wait for the pots to completely dry before I can start potting my plants.
Laura always leaves me to the fun jobs. She knows I love gardening. Oh, nice.
Craig's not done a bad job at the planting, but maybe he should stick to the building. If you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, follow us on all social media handles, subscribe to the YouTube channel. But if you want to know more about the vast range of products that French Chic stock, head over to the website
Red Sheep Paint.
.co.uk.